Hello, my name is Xiaocheng Wu. I'm a research scientist in the paleobiological section of the museum. Today, I'm going to talk about ancient crocodilian. It is called Ladiosuchus canadensis, based on our specimen in the collection. Ladiosuchus canadensis was named by Dr. Lawrence Morris Lamb in 1907. When he named this species, it's only based on the half jaw from a rock layer about 75 million years ago. So this half jaw is called holotype of the species. Dr. Lamb worked in Geological Survey of Canada for many years. He mainly studied dinosaurs. He named many dinosaurs, such as Edmontosaurus and Chasmosaurus, discovered from Western Canada. Since 1907, there are many specimens of Ladiosuchus canadensis found from Alberta. Like the type specimen, all specimens later found from the same rock layer, now called Dinosaur Provincial Park Formation. According to current information, all specimens of Ladiosuchus canadensis can be found in Canada. This crocodilian, called truly a Canadian crocodilian, represented only by one species. Many paleontologists consider that Ladiosuchus canadensis as an alligatorid in the same lineage of the alligators and caimans. Most paleontologists further consider that Ladiosuchus canadensis is the ancestral type for all the other alligatoids. It is the first branch deviated from the main line of the alligator.